This is Zach's review of the FisherPrice Roaring Rainforest Jumperoo. We bought this for him when he was 17 weeks old, so 4 months, and I have to say it is one of the best purchases we have made for him. Even though he couldn't touch the floor at first, he still enjoyed being in it and looking at all the colourful baby toys. He is now 22 weeks, 5 months old, and for the last week he has been able to bounce and play more in it as he can touch the floor. You can see how much he enjoys it, and he can happily spend between 15 minutes to half an hour in it. It can be adjusted to 3 different heights, so as he grows he can move higher. We currently have it on the lower setting. It also has different play modes. There are 2 volume settings and 2 play options. Option 1 will play music and sound when he bounces, moves or presses the flower button. The other option plays continuous music but has a bouncing sound effect which comes on when he bounces. Here you can see all the different toys in close up. We used to put a little cushion behind his back when he was younger, as it helped him to reach the toys and made it more comfortable for him. We no longer really have to use it. The chair can also spin around 360 degrees, so he can see and play with all the toys. The seat is also washable, as it can be easily removed. As he gets older, he will be able to reach and pull the hanging monkeys. He loves to pull the butterfly and chew on it. Finally, it is very comfortable, as you can see.
Zach,
Why
are you falling asleep?
It's not a school, I can sleep late.